Hello again, everybody. Yes, it's me, that fella from Chesterfield again. Yes, we're off out again. So why don't you join us? Jump on the back and we'll go for a ride out. Off we go. Sunny Derbyshire. It's beautiful today. I don't know which direction my mate's going to take us, but it'll be a scenic route. He's pretty good at picking his routes, and it'll be at a nice steady pace. We don't rush, we don't race. No, them days are over. Might have a little burst now and again, but no, we don't race anymore. Yeah. So bring it on, mate. Let's see where you're leading. Got some lovely colours in the hedgerows this time of year. Lovely colours. Right, we're going left. Left. On Fox Lane. Now then, cyclists, I'll put my indicator on and see what reaction I get. Yes, they hear that beeper. They will look over the shoulder when I put my indicator on. That buzzer is a good thing for cyclists and pedestrians. It just lets them know I'm coming. I suppose I could have a loud exhaust pipe. Loud pipes save lives. But do they? Really? Well, I don't know if they save lives. Yes, you can hear a loud motorbike coming, but I don't necessarily think it saves lives. But they say it does. Let me know what you think. It's a contentious subject, isn't it? A bloke I know and rides a Harley Davidson, and it didn't save him. He didn't die, but boy, he was lucky. Very, very lucky. It left him in a bad way. Car pulled out on him. Loud pipes didn't save him at all. Not one bit. Here we go. There, I've said it now. I suppose it'll upset some people, that, but anyway. The best safety device on a motorcycle is the man that's sat on it, or woman that's sat on it. We're not prejudiced, or whatever you identify as. We're not going on to that subject either. Right, there are 2 or 3 roads in Derbyshire with fantastic views as you go over the hilltop, and this one here is in the top 3. There's Surprise View heading for Hathersage, and there's Roseley Bar, and there's this one. Look at this view when you go over the top here. I mean, wow. How's about that then? Eh? What a fabulous view over that valley. You can see for miles and miles on a clear day. Beautiful. That's Kerber Edge there, and we're dropping down into Kerber village around these little hairpin bends. Oh, here we go. I'm glad he's brought us this way. It's one of my favourite little roads, this. But don't tell anybody, it's our secret. I think the cat's out of the bag, isn't it? Kerber. Now then, where's he taking me? Fiddledy-piddledy little lanes. Just hope we don't meet a tratter down here, mate. She's a bit bumpy there. Ooh, ah. I'm not going to say it. Motor digger making an entrance. What here? Oh, a little tratter. That's just the right size for up here. Just the right size. Cliff College. Now then, we're going back on us then. What a beautiful day to be following my mate on his meteor, meteor, meteor. Yeah, what a beautiful day for just riding round doing nought in particular. Getting lost in the countryside. Look at that for a view. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? We don't appreciate our country half enough. Yes, it's very relaxing. This is following my mate. Not worrying where we're going. Ooh, run it. Looks like farmers put a pipe over the road there, look. Bit of improvisation. Get some water to his cattle. And we're coming into Hassop. Now then, it's going to go left. I'm going to guess right here. Yes, I thought so. Ooh, don't get too close to the white line there, mate. You have a lorry coming round. Patriotic bench there. This on the left here is Hassop Hall. I don't know if it still is, but at one time it was converted into a nice restaurant. I don't know if it's a private residence or what it is now. But I have eaten there many, many years ago. It was a restaurant. Yeah, this is the back road that takes you round to Longston, Great Longston, or Longstone. Well, nobody calls it Longstone, it's Longston. We're going up Longston Edge. I've been up here for a long time. Over the cattle grid. Brum brum. Oh, what we got on road here? We've got a sheep or two. Oh, my mate Just got them out of the way for me. Aha. Stay there. Stay there, you. You see what I did there? Stay there, you. No coming, no. Just a load of sheep on the road. Look at that, eh? Isn't that fabulous? Yes, he's picked a nice little road here for us. Some fantastic views. Thanks for joining me on this little ride out, and if you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. So, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye now.